So when I first started out in my resawing journey, I started with this piece right here. But when I moved into this shop, they said it had 220, and it does, but it's not wired right. None of it's wired right. You see that thing right there? None of that's wired right. So guess what? I can't use my table saw. I can't use my dust collection, and I can't use my resaw bandsaw. But in the process, I was looking for a bandsaw that I could use, that could run off of just regular freaking 110, right? And in the process, I found this. And I found it on Amazon. I never thought I'd buy this on Amazon. Alright, so this thing right here is a freaking beast. It resawed this right here. This was too thick, and I wanted to get a charcuterie board out of it, or two. So I'm gonna go ahead and get two out of this. And gosh, this thing is thick. I set it at 9 inches, and it did it. Let me show you how. It blew my mind. It blew my mind. I was like, oh my god. Like, I was a little nervous. I know the Hitachi, like that thing right there, and that's for sale, by the way. I don't have 220. If you're in Michigan and you're interested, hit me up. Even if not, U-Ship is a great way to ship heavy things. I ship dining tables that weigh 300 pounds all the time. That thing is a beast. And that thing resaws anything, like anything. It's got, anyways, we're talking about this one right here. I can't believe it can, but it can. All right, I'm gonna start up by cleaning this piece up. You gotta get the bark and all that off. One of the main things that will dull one of your blades is dirt and bark. And that goes for like those really thick knots that got the bark on the inside and stuff like that. Yeah, you're gonna wanna get all of that off. That's so pretty, this piece up. So I'm actually gonna keep these for my kids' frog enclosure. So I'm gonna try to work this off as one piece. They have some toads. They're not frogs. My kids would yell at me if I said that. Oh, somebody tried to keep this on. Wow, look at that. Either somebody was trying to keep the bark on, or somebody like nailed up signs or something like that. And you just never really know what you're gonna find in wood. I have found the craziest things. Look at that. Look at it. I got a new toy last month, the Restorer, and I actually won it off of Instagram. And this thing, wow. I bought the brushes that clean the live edge slabs, and wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is such a good job, and it is so consistent. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, I'm so happy. I got a job for you. All right. This is gonna be linked up in the description. I'm super happy with this tool. I'm super happy with this purchase. I really, really am. Like, it's really hard going through reviews, finding something that works. What can you trust? Everybody can say anything about their product and their, you know, their tools and stuff like that, but does it do it? Like, does it work? Does it do the job? And it does, and I'm super happy with this purchase. If you got a small shop like this thing, I also purchased the mobile base because I push it right over there in my corner, and yeah, so it moves so easy. Look, just like one-handed. She heavy, but she's a beast. All right, I'm gonna link this up down below. I can't believe it resawed that. I'm super happy with my purchase. If you're interested in a bandsaw and you got a smaller shop, this is my 4th bandsaw, and I'm not going anywhere until I get that Laguna 18BX. I'm not. All right, you guys. So this is just, I was really impressed with this performance, and I just wanted to make a video because I know a lot of people struggle with finding quality tools, especially when you don't want to buy 3 bandsaws. I didn't want to buy another one after I bought that one until I got the Laguna. Like, but I'm happy right now. Like, that makes me happy.